Hello there, it's me Anupriya, and today we will learn something about the pronunciation, about something we speak but sometimes we speak wrong. It's sir, S in English but sir in Hindi, and SH in English but sure in Hindi. Suppose anybody is having name Mrs. Sharma and you are calling her Miss Sharma, awkward, right? Or she is Mrs. Singh and you are calling Mrs. Singh, too awkward. So we commit mistakes. So many people I have seen कि वो mistake करते हैं स को श बोलने में and श को स बोलने में. Few words are given here. We will practice and we will try. I'll help you how to try that what position of your tongue and mouth should be there कि आप ये word correct pronounce कर पाओ. Alright, sound correct आए. Let's try. The word is here C. A B C D आपको सबको आता है ना? So this is C. A B C S. That one C. See, pronunciation is this one C. और words में ये pronunciation नहीं आएगा. But what I am trying to stress on, that is sound. C, sa. Sound is same. So here C. S H E. It is about the sha. Shole wala sha. Alright? I know it's not a standard example, but still this is sha. The position of your tongue. Let's see कि बोल कैसे सकते हैं. Sha. Mouth is open and your tongue is between your teeth on both of the side. So the pronunciation comes, the sound comes sha. And when your tongue is touching your lower section of teeth, so the sound comes sa. Mouth is bit open, tongue is touching lower teeth. Alright, नीचे के हिस्से को आपका tongue touch करता है, तो sound comes sa. Alright, practice it, definitely it will improve. So C and she. Sip. I am having a sip of tea. वो वाला sip. Again, sir. Ship. पानी का जहाज. That is sh. Sell. I sell my books. I sold my books. सारी किताबें बेच दी मैंने. Because I thought that I can learn English with my teacher better. No, that's bad thing. You should read books also. Sell. Again, this wala sound sa. I'm touching my tongue, lower teeth. Shell. In sea, समुद्र के अंदर white colors के छोटे छोटे stones, we get a lots of things in the water. So that shell, that is called shells. This one is that shell, small pieces of white stones that we find in the ocean, sea or anywhere in the water. This is known as that shell. Class. This is the class, alright? And class and clash. Conflict between the two people. जब दो लोग agree नहीं होते, तो that is called they are having clash. उन दोनों के thoughts match नहीं कर रहे. Their thoughts are clashing. So again, pronunciation is coming sha. Tongue between your teeth. Seat. Seat, where do you sit? जहाँ आप बैठते हो, जिस place पे आप बैठते हो, that is your seat. And sheet, piece of a paper, that is called sheet. Okay? Sa and sha. Pick some few words in this manner and speak correctly. Let's take an example, or I am going to give you a sentence which will be carrying a lot of sa and sha again and again in a same sentence. And I bet you, if you are going to practice this sentence, no, आपका sa and sha अगर wrong place हो रहा है आपके tongue पे, you are going to improve it like anything. I can bet you, but practice is must. Slowly I will read this sentence. Okay? Listen carefully. She was selling sea shells by the sea shore. आई विल डू अ फेवर, मीनिंग बता देती हूँ आपको. शी वॉज सेलिंग, वो सेल कर रही थी. देयर इज अ गर्ल एंड शी वॉज सेलिंग, वो कुछ बेच रही थी. क्या? सी शेल्स. अभी हमने डिस्कस किया शेल, द स्मॉल वाइट स्टोन दैट वी गेट इन द वाटर और ओशन और सी. शेल्स बाय द सी शोर, समुद्र के किनारे. शोर इज द एरिया, द बे ऑफ अ सी. ओके, तो द गर्ल वॉज सेलिंग समथिंग. देयर इज अ गर्ल, एक लड़की है जो कि शेल्स सेल कर रही है समुद्र के किनारे. दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ द सेंटेंस. So again we will take a repetition. She was selling seashells by the seashore. How many times there are sa and sha in this? Imagine if you do correct with the sentence, you are never going to repeat your mistakes. The correct pronunciation of the sentence and the frequency level should be she was selling seashells by the seashore. Exactly, you heard right. She was selling seashells by the seashore. Never ever clashing any sa and sha with each other. Entered in your ear clearly? I'll repeat it again. She was selling seashells by the seashore. So, the time we are going to touch this level of pronunciation of this sentence, I bet you never ever you're going to commit the mistakes. One more sentence I'm giving you where sa is following sha. ओके, 2 times द प्रोनाउंसिएशन, द साउंड, जो सा का साउंड है वो शा को फॉलो कर रहा है एक ही सेंटेंस में. दैट इज शी सॉ अ शाइनिंग स्टार वेयर इन द स्काई. दैट इज अंडरस्टूड. शी सॉ अ शाइनिंग स्टार. कई बार जब शा के बाद अचानक से सा आता है या सा के बाद अचानक से शा आता है इन अ सेंटेंस, तो हैव यू नोटिस्ड कि आपका टंग जो है वो ट्विस्ट हो जाता है. इट इज रॉन्ग. इट एक्चुअली क्रिएट्स अ बैड इंप्रेशन. सो डू प्रैक्टिस दिस सेंटेंस ऑल्सो वेयर सा इज फॉलोइंग शा एंड सा इज अगेन फॉलोइंग शा 2 times at the same place. She saw a shining star. She saw a shining star in the sky. If you wish, you can do it. So this was the lesson about speaking sa and sha in right manner. Do practice. It is must. I have tried a lot, and if you are not going to try, you will cry. Bye bye.